Let's open Google and type how to install IntelliJ. Scroll down and go to jetbrains.com. Click on Get IntelliJ Idea. I have an Apple Silicon, so I choose this version. Save to an appropriate place and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, go to the folder and double-click on it. Drag to Applications and wait for the installation. When the installation is completed, close the window, delete the source file and eject the volume on desktop. Then search for the newly installed application in search bar and open it. Click Open. Confirm and continue. Do not allow for now. Skip import, and we installed IntelliJ Idea.